Did you know that a mere 2% drop in hydration can cause fatigue, dizziness, and even impaired cognitive function? Water is the essence of life. It fuels our cells, aids digestion, and keeps our bodies functioning at their best. Yet, many of us fail to drink enough water daily. But what if I told you that there's a delicious, refreshing way to stay hydrated? One that's naturally packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants? That's right. The answer lies in watermelon. Watermelon is composed of over 90% water, making it one of the most hydrating foods on the planet. But it's not just about water, it also contains essential electrolytes like potassium and magnesium, which help regulate hydration levels in the body. Whether you're recovering from a workout, spending time in the sun, or simply looking for a tasty way to replenish fluids, watermelon is your best friend. Beyond hydration, watermelon offers a wealth of health benefits. Watermelon is rich in L-citrulline, an amino acid that helps improve blood circulation and reduce blood pressure. According to a study published in the American Journal of Hypertension, consuming watermelon extract significantly lowered blood pressure levels in overweight adults. Packed with antioxidants, watermelon contains lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that gives it its vibrant red color. Research from the National Institutes of Health suggests that lycopene may reduce the risk of heart disease, slow aging, and even protect against certain cancers. Thanks to its high water content and vitamins A and C, watermelon helps keep skin hydrated, reducing dryness and promoting collagen production. A study from experimental dermatology suggests that lycopene may also protect the skin from UV damage. Athletes, take note. Watermelon is an excellent post-workout recovery food. Research published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry found that drinking watermelon juice before intense exercise can reduce muscle soreness and speed up recovery, thanks to its L-citrulline content. Watermelon is low in calories but high in fiber and water, making it the perfect food for those looking to shed extra pounds while staying full and hydrated. The fiber aids digestion, while the natural sweetness satisfies sugar cravings without excess calories. Numerous studies highlight the profound benefits of watermelon. For example, a 2021 study from Purdue University found that regular consumption of watermelon improved arterial function and reduced inflammation. Another study in the Journal of Nutrition emphasized how lycopene from watermelon could lower oxidative stress, reducing the risk of chronic diseases. There are so many creative ways to enjoy this juicy fruit. And today, I'm sharing 3 simple and healthy watermelon recipes that you can easily make at home. Let's get started. Want to pick the perfect watermelon? Here's how. Look for a deep yellow field spot, that means it ripened on the vine. Check for brown webbing, it signals sweetness. Give it a tap, a hollow sound means juicy goodness inside. Pick one that's heavy for its size, with dull skin and a dry stem, both signs of ripeness. Follow these tips, and you'll never pick a bland watermelon again. If you like what you are hearing so far, please write a comment and subscribe to support the growth of our community. And don't forget to come back for more health tips and wellness advice. First up, we have a watermelon detox drink, a perfect way to hydrate and cleanse your body. To make this, you'll need 2 cups of diced watermelon, 1 cup of coconut water, the juice of 1 fresh lime, a handful of mint leaves, and some ice cubes. Simply blend everything together until smooth. Pour it into a glass, add a sprig of mint for that extra freshness, and enjoy. This drink is packed with electrolytes, helps with digestion, and keeps your body cool, making it the perfect summer refresher. Next, let's whip up a watermelon summer salad, a sweet and savory dish that's as refreshing as it is nutritious. For this, you'll need 2 cups of cubed watermelon, half a cup of crumbled feta cheese, a 1/4 cup of fresh mint leaves, half a cucumber, thinly sliced, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and a teaspoon of balsamic vinegar. Toss all the ingredients together in a bowl, drizzle with olive oil and balsamic vinegar, and give it a light mix. The combination of sweet watermelon, creamy feta, and fresh mint creates an explosion of flavors. It's hydrating, full of antioxidants, and a great dish for warm days. And finally, we have a watermelon smoothie, a delicious way to start your day or cool down after a workout. Here's what you'll need: 2 cups of frozen watermelon cubes, half a cup of Greek yogurt, half a banana, and a drizzle of honey, if you like it sweeter. Blend everything together until it's creamy and smooth. Pour it into a glass, and enjoy a refreshing, protein-packed smoothie that's rich in vitamins, minerals, and natural hydration. And there you have it, 3 easy, delicious, and super refreshing ways to enjoy watermelon. Whether you're sipping on a detox drink, indulging in a fresh salad, or blending up a smoothie, watermelon is the perfect fruit to keep you hydrated and healthy. Which recipe are you most excited to try first? Or perhaps you already have a delicious go-to recipe that I haven't discovered yet. I'd love to hear about it. Share your thoughts in the comments below, and let's inspire and learn from each other. Who should avoid watermelon? People with diabetes. Because watermelon has a high glycemic index, which may cause blood sugar spikes. Those with digestive issues. Excessive watermelon can cause bloating and diarrhea due to its sugar and water content. People with kidney problems. Since watermelon is rich in potassium, individuals with kidney disease should consume it in moderation. Allergic individuals. Some people may have allergic reactions, especially those sensitive to pollen or latex. Watermelon is more than just a summer treat, it's a powerhouse of hydration, health, and healing. Whether you eat it fresh, blend it into a smoothie, or enjoy it as a refreshing juice, this fruit delivers an array of benefits that your body will thank you for. So, the next time you reach for a sugary drink, think twice. Instead, grab a slice of watermelon and let nature quench your thirst while nourishing your body. Stay hydrated, stay healthy, and let watermelon be your ultimate refreshment. We hope you found our content informative and that you'll use it to enhance your well-being. Thank you for watching.